Hi, it's Mayor Walter Sendzik. It is Valentine's Day, Monday, February 14th. We have council tonight. Yes, we have council on Valentine's Day, hence the red tie. And so we just want to give a bit of a mayor's update as we head into council. First and foremost, what we've heard from the province today is that there will be a further lifting of restrictions February 17th. It's going to affect everything from the number of people in restaurants to concert venues, sports facilities. So you're going to see some significant changes taking place, and it's a result of what we're seeing with Omicron and in general COVID-19 in our community. You're starting to see the numbers come down. The pressure on the hospitals is starting to release a bit. And so this is what the government has been talking about all along, is making sure that we're moving together as a community through these stages as the indicators of case levels, the number of people who are at ICU, who require that intensive health care. As long as those numbers are stabilizing and heading in the right direction, you will see a lifting of restrictions. This is what we have been doing as a community, and it's important that we continue to follow public health measures, and what you're hearing from the province today is a reflection of what they're seeing in the province. So you'll be able to get more information on the Ontario government's website, as well as all of our facilities that will be undergoing some changes in usage. You can go to stcatharines.ca for all that information. Tonight we're going to be talking about cannabis, as we've had an interim control bylaw in place for the past 2 years, and what that interim control bylaw was allowing us to do as a municipality is better examine how cannabis production facilities can operate here in our community. To be clear, we cannot prevent those facilities from operating, and these are the cultivation facilities. They are mandated under both the provincial and federal regulations. But what we have an ability to do is try and ensure that we're putting in the regulations that allow for the facilities to be better designed and monitored by the city. And so tonight we have the discussion on the cannabis report, and this is a decision that we have to make tonight because it is the end of the interim control bylaw. We can only do that once in a term. So we've done 2 different interim control bylaws. So we can't do it again in this term. So a decision will have to be made tonight. And I'm confident that the city staff have put together a very sound report based on best practices and what other municipalities are doing. So looking forward to that discussion tonight. This upcoming weekend on Friday and Saturday, our very own Kirsten Moore Towers is going to be skating in the pairs competition. So we're cheering her on. So check her out on social media, and in terms of what she's participating in this weekend, give her a lot of love from STC. This is her hometown, and we wish her and her partner all the best. Family Day is coming up next Monday. There will be Family Day activities taking place in our community. Check out our St. Catharines website for all the updates. You are going to require registration in advance, and I'm hoping for it to be an amazing Family Day weekend where everyone can just get out and get in, do different things in our community, and do it together as a family. We have volunteer nominations are now open, and what a time to be nominating volunteers. So many people have stepped up during the last year plus in terms of our community. If you know someone in your neighborhood, if you know someone in a volunteer organization or an organization that has volunteers, if you know someone who has helped out in long-term care or anything to do with healthcare in our community, now is the time to nominate them. There's a lot of people who have really put their hand up and stepped up during this pandemic, and this is a great opportunity to recognize them. So check out the city's website, look for the Volunteer of the Year nomination form, get your nominations in, and the deadline is February 28th. That's when the nominations will close. And as today is Valentine's Day, we're hoping that you can spread the love with Love STC. So Spread the Love STC is the hashtag that we're looking for people to use. Just talk about your favorite retailer, the stores that you go to, people in your neighborhood that are doing cool, awesome things, neighborhood groups that have come together, those who are doing the rinks in our community rinks that are established, anything that you can shine a light on. It's been a tough couple of weeks for communities across this country. There's just a lot of friction going on. We can understand why, but today let's have an opportunity to spread the love around and show how proud you are of your community, who's doing what in our community, and give them a little heart sign from Love STC. Until the next Mayor's Report, which is going to be in 2 weeks' time, I just want to say I hope you're having a wonderful February. It does look like spring is just around the corner. I do know that we have still snow on the ground. There probably will still be snow in the forecast, but as the days get longer and the sun gets a little warmer each day, we know that we'll be seeing spring soon, and that means outdoor patios, it means hanging out in parks, it means being able just to get out and about and enjoy the spring air. But for now, enjoy the winter. It's who we are. We're Canadian. Enjoy the winter and enjoy the upcoming week with your family. Take care.